We'll guide you through how to set up Streamlabs on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Streamlabs website and download the latest version of the software for your operating system. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Streamlabs on your computer. After installation, launch Streamlabs and log in with your preferred streaming service, such as Twitch or YouTube. You'll need to authorize Streamlabs to access your account, so follow the prompts to complete this step. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Streamlabs dashboard. Here, you can customize your stream by adding sources. Click on the plus sign in the sources box to add your webcam, screen capture, or any other media sources you want to display during your stream. You can arrange these sources in the order you want by dragging and dropping them in the preview window. Next, go to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon. Under the Output tab, you can adjust your streaming settings, such as bitrate and encoder, to optimize your stream quality. Make sure to select the correct output resolution based on your internet speed and system capabilities. Then, navigate to the Audio tab to set up your microphone and desktop audio. Ensure your microphone is selected under the mic/auxiliary device setting. You can also add audio filters like noise suppression for better sound quality. Once your audio and video settings are configured, click on the Stream tab to select your streaming platform again, and verify that your stream key is correctly entered. This key is crucial for connecting Streamlabs to your streaming account. Finally, return to the main dashboard and click on the Go Live button in the bottom right corner when you're ready to start streaming. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.